Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your BMO Digital Banking application using your mobile device. So let's get started. Open your BMO banking application from your mobile device. If you don't have the application, make sure you download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Soon after you open up the app, you will be able to see this sign in menu. To sign into your existing account, go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box. Enter your user ID correct, and then on the next field, you will need to type in your correct password for your online banking account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the process in order to reset to a new password. But if you remember your password, you can type it down in the text box. Similarly, if you happen to forget your user ID, you can tap on the Forgot User ID link above and follow through the prompts in order to look for your user ID. Finally, after typing in the correct credentials, tap on Sign In, and you will be able to log into your BMO Digital Banking account using your mobile device. So that's how you can easily log into your BMO banking application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will then see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.